Hello, food lovers! Welcome to a culinary adventure that promises to surprise your taste buds and transport you straight to the heart of royal India. Today, we're diving into the world of Hyderabadi cuisine to make Shikampur Kebab, a royal treat with a secret. This dish is a true gem from the City of Pearls, celebrated for its rich history and unforgettable flavors. These kebabs are famous for their creamy, tangy filling hidden inside a tender, spiced meat patty. The moment you cut into one, you'll discover a luscious center that sets Shikampur apart from any other kebab you've tasted. Each bite is a contrast. Imagine a crisp, aromatic crust on the outside, giving way to a cool, creamy, and delicately spiced filling within. It's a play of textures and flavors that keeps you coming back for more. Shikampur stands apart from other kebabs thanks to this surprise filling, usually hung yogurt, onions, and herbs. The filling is not just delicious, but also refreshing, balancing the richness of the meat perfectly. Born in the royal kitchens of Hyderabad, this dish was crafted for the Nizams, blending hearty flavors with refined elegance. It's a recipe steeped in tradition, once reserved for royalty, now ready for your own table. Don't worry about the regal origins. I'll guide you through every step, making it simple and fun. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a curious beginner, you'll find this recipe approachable and rewarding. Making Shikampur is a hands-on sensory experience. Feel the mince between your fingers, inhale the aroma of freshly ground spices, and watch as the kebabs sizzle and turn golden in the pan. It's a feast for all your senses. We'll break it down into easy stages so you can master this show-stopping appetizer at home. From prepping the filling to shaping the patties, every step is designed to build your confidence in the kitchen. Ready to add a gem to your culinary repertoire? Shikampur Kebab is sure to impress your family and friends, whether it's a festive gathering or a cozy dinner. So, roll up your sleeves and let's begin this flavorful journey together. Get ready to unlock the secret heart of the royal kebab. Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's take a moment to gather all our ingredients. This step is essential for a smooth cooking experience and helps ensure we don't miss anything important along the way. We'll need ingredients for both the flavorful meat patty and the creamy, refreshing filling that goes inside. For the kebab, measure out 500 grams of minced mutton or beef and 100 grams of chana dal that's been soaked until soft. Gather your spices: cumin seeds, green and black cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves, peppercorns, a generous spoonful of ginger garlic paste, and a few dried red chilies for heat. Don't forget a pinch of turmeric for color and earthiness, and salt to bring out all the flavors. For the creamy filling, you'll need half a cup of thick hung yogurt, finely chopped onion, fresh coriander leaves, mint, and a couple of green chilies for a gentle kick. Add a pinch of salt to the filling to balance the tanginess of the yogurt. You'll also need 1 egg, which will help bind the meat mixture together and keep the kebabs tender. And finally, have some ghee or oil ready for frying. Ghee is traditional and gives a wonderful aroma and nutty flavor, but oil works too. Notice the rich golden color of ghee. It's what makes these kebabs truly special. Arrange everything neatly on your countertop. This mise en place not only looks beautiful, but it also makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. With all your ingredients ready and within reach, let's move on to building the perfect mince mixture for our kebabs. Time to infuse our mince with flavor. In a heavy pot or pressure cooker, combine minced meat, soaked chana dal, whole spices, ginger garlic paste, chilies, turmeric, and salt. Add just enough water to cover. Then cook until the meat and dal are tender and the mixture is dry. Cool completely, then remove any large whole spices for a smoother texture. Grind the mixture into a fine dough-like paste. The chana dal helps bind it all together. The result should be thick and pliable, perfect for shaping. This is the heart of your Shikampur, ready for its secret filling. Let's shape and stuff the kebabs. Now for the fun part, shaping and stuffing. This is where your kebabs truly come to life, and you can get creative with your hands. In a bowl, mix the hung yogurt, finely chopped onion, fresh coriander, mint, green chilies, and a pinch of salt to create a flavorful, creamy filling. Make sure everything is well combined so every bite bursts with taste. Next, add an egg to the cooled meat mixture. This helps bind everything together. Knead the mixture thoroughly with your hands until it's smooth and slightly sticky, ensuring the kebabs hold their shape. Grease your palms lightly with oil, then take a golf ball-sized portion of the meat mixture. Roll it gently and flatten it into a disc, making sure the edges are even. With your thumb, make a small well in the center of the disc. Spoon a bit of the creamy filling into the well, being careful not to overfill, and then gently fold the edges over to seal the filling inside. Carefully flatten the stuffed patty again, making sure the filling is completely hidden and the surface is smooth. This step ensures the kebab cooks evenly. Repeat this process with the rest of the meat and filling. It's a great activity to do with family or friends, making the preparation even more enjoyable. Arrange all the stuffed kebabs neatly on a plate or tray, making sure they don't touch each other. They're now ready for the next step, frying. This is the moment where Shikampur gets its signature surprise, the creamy filling hidden inside each kebab. Let's cook them to perfection and reveal that delicious creamy center with every bite. Time for the final sizzle. Heat ghee or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Fry the kebabs in batches, 3 to 4 minutes per side, until golden and crisp. Handle gently. They're delicate and filled with creamy goodness. Drain on paper towels. Serve hot, garnished with mint, onion rings, and a squeeze of lime. Pair with mint chutney or enjoy with naan or rice. Each bite delivers a crisp crust, tender meat, and a burst of cool, tangy filling. This is Royal Hyderabadi hospitality on a plate. Enjoy your homemade Shikampur kebabs.